Hello. Have you fun? Excellent. What else do you want?
How far up do you want to go?
Finish just here.
Okay. We're going to get enough room to get the trolley out too.
Yep. Oh, well, we check that once we're at that level. It should come out past it.
Alright, look at the trolley coming out and around. We can
Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. Now we're back.
Alright, I'll just keep that in mind.
But you reckon we might want to hang on to it?
Hey?
You reckon we might want to hang on to it?
Yeah.
That's getting close. That's as far this way as the machine wants to go.
Alright, we should have to get the trolley out.
Yeah. Hope so.
See how easy it is for the trolleys?
Might have to make a set of those, Dad. Might need to make a set of those.
Craig, Marcus.
G'day, mate.
There was. There you go, man.
Yeah, good.
I'll get this back one out first.
So we're pulling these wheels out. Is that the
Yeah,
idea?
if we can, yeah, because that'll anchor the front. Can we take the front ones out?
Clear at the back.
Take that corner and a corner. That's it. Go right to the edge. That'll be right. Just so let the other end come off the trolley.
Off there.
Stop there, stop there. Alrighty-o. So you don't want to go any further to the wall, or are you happy with that?
Happy with that, so we'll go this way. You know, big that way.
Yeah, we can then try. How far do you want to go? 100? So,
Yeah, we come this way about, so we ended about that far away.
That's enough.
Bring
Bring the back over, straighten up. You can probably adjust it over just a little bit anyway. Keep going, keep going. Stay steady, that's it. Slowly. Alrighty, happy?
Sounds like it's happening.
Hello.
If you need a machine moved, this is the bloke. Quick advert, shout out. How do we reach him? here's the other stuff that's come with it. We have a fixed steady, nice decent sized faceplate, travelling steady, and a massive Pratt Bernard 4-jaw. And of course, something to check to see if we're level. So we're just done a test fit.
Well, I can see a bit of Caro and Ray's going down here. It's amazing what colour it'll be underneath that.
Yeah, it'll probably be original colour, Bruce.
I did a bit of cleaning this morning. Oh yeah, it'll be the original colour. They made it either grey or grey.
Yep, and this one's two-tone grey.
Yeah.
I was concerned about levelling. I spoke to you, and then I realised this front panel comes off, and then when it came here, the
Just a
tray
kickboard.
was just about out. So you get access to those levelling things through the front.
That's right.
So it could actually go through the back.
Yeah, the thing is just you probably find that the bands are more the motor with, or there's quite a bit of movement there. So you've got adjustment down the bottom.
Yeah.
And
It's on intermediate.
that's the sun's pump. Why is it
Yeah.
still running? It
There's
stops
an
not
off. There's
working.
an off button as well.
It's not turning off.
No. That did it. It's probably just sticky.
Yeah, it might be just
That just turned it off.
electrosol.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got a bit of work to do.
So there you go.
And you can, if you want, you've already got the mountings here, you could make an auto stop,
Yes.
an auto stop bar. The
That?
tapers, that's right.
Yeah, which
But this is your
lower.
that should be your oiling thingy.
That's the pump. Yeah.
Yep.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Missing a mushroom hat, but you'll be able to make one of those. It might
Do
be
you
the
think?
first job you do. Who knows?
Hey, what?
No, you
You're right.
You are.
You are. Feels nice, yeah.
Sorry.
Feels nice.
Anybody home?
Thing
Alright, you're good.
Thing was good all.
Are you filming us bloody fiddling around here?
Yeah.
Bloody wonderful.
Right. Old men in their element.
Bruce, thanks for bringing that gear around.
No worries.
Look at that.
It's done the
One of
job.
those. How good is that?
Look at that.
That's interesting. It's got a tang on
He's
it.
got a live one.
Live one, and
live
there's
one.
a.
You've got a few goodies here.
Yeah.
I love this
yeah, just
Pratt Bernard.
yeah,
That's,
10 or 12 or-
looks like
That's
12.
that's worth half the price of what he paid for the lathe.
Yeah, it's definitely 12. 10 on the up there.
I think so, man.
Yeah, 10 inches are a perfect size for that.
Oh, it's a Pratt Bernard 10, which is 9 7/8.
Oh yeah. Inflation.
You don't,
This is
you
probably
don't,
11 7/8.
I mean, you know everything about lathes and all the rest.
I know
You
nothing. I know nothing,
You
Bruce.
know why it's important, the sizing of your standard your standard chucks. Where they say, well, they supply it with a certain size.
Your horsepower?
No, and so if you open it up to almost your full extent of your
Jaws?
jaws, you're not going to touch. If you put a bigger size on,
Yep.
you run the problem of touching.
Yep.
Smacking up the bastard.
That's where
The light probably won't work.
That's a 14 inch.
Yes,
it
I don't know.
probably needs a neutral, doesn't it?
Yeah, there's nothing neutral in the cable, so
It's been neutralised.
yeah. This will be neutered.
So, nice
All right.
little badge
I
there.
wouldn't take any more pictures till it's all nice and glossy and clean. And
No, you need proof that we did something.
These are the before.
We
These
did something.
These are the before.
You got somewhere where I could,
Yes, yes we do.